Chapter 6, Understanding our Criminal Justice System. In this chapter, we will be discussing what is the role of the judicial system and how do we utilize that one. We generally watch in movies the police coming and arresting the people. We assume that the police is having the rights or the duties to arrest the people. Yes, but they don't decide who is guilty or who is the accused. They generally arrest the people on whomever the allegations are made. So, in this chapter, we will be discussing about what is the role of the police in investigating the crimes and how we should approach them, what is the procedure that has to be followed, how the police has to react, what is the role of the inspector or the police department in ensuring to get justice to the people, and how the courts work. We generally hear the word called FIR. In this chapter we will be discussing what is FIR and what is the role of a court in the court, how the procedure of the case takes place, who from the government side takes the responsibility and investigates the case, who from the accused side will be defending him. So here we come to know about the prosecutor and the defense lawyer, so all these we will be discussing through an example, through a fictional story, how an incident happened and how the situations would go on. We generally find in our society different kind of fictional stories which are similar to the realities what are happening. How a thing happens, how do the people react for that, how do the police react for that, how the situations take turns, these all we will be discussing through a fictional story which are very similar to that in the real life situations. And when we discuss this kind of things, you may be aware of how to react if ever these kind of situations arise in your life. Now let us look at an example. In the story, the fictional story, the date was 18/7/2006. Mr. and Mrs. Shinde are getting ready for a party. So when Mrs. Shinde is trying to decorate herself with her jewelry, she finds one of her chain is missing. She notices that she searches in the entire dressing table and all the lockers, in the safe, everywhere. Mr. Shinde comes in running saying that we are already late, so please dress up yourself properly and make it fast. So when you dress yourself fast, we can move out so that we can attend the party in time. But Mrs. Shinde conveys the message that she could not find her gold chain which they have brought recently from the market, which they have purchased recently. So he asks her, who other than us can come into this room, the outsiders, other than her maid or their maid? Nobody comes in. The maid name is Shanti. Mrs. Shanti, who has been working in Mumbai in Mr. and Mrs. Shinde's house for the past 3 years. She has never done this kind of acts. That's what Mrs. Shinde was trying to convince Mr. Shinde. But Mr. Shinde approached to Miss Shanti and asked her to show her trunk. Immediately, show me your trunk. The chain has been missing. So where did you keep the chain? Did you take the chain? What happened with the chain? Like this, the shower of the questions has been rained on Mrs. Shanti. Mrs. Shanti was telling to Mrs. Shinde that she has not even seen the chain properly. She never know that there is a chain which has been kept in the dressing table, and she cried. But when they opened the trunk of Mrs. Shanti, they found 10,000 rupees in a sealed envelope. So they got doubt. They assumed that Miss Shanti has sold the chain and made it into cash and saved that money in the trunk. So Mrs. Shanti and her brother are been saving the money from the past 6 to 7 months. She gets every month 1,000 rupees, while her brother also works in a factory and he also gets around some 1,500 per month. So they want to save this money and they want to buy a bull after going home back to their village. So they are saving this money for the future purpose. Mr. and Mrs. Shinde misunderstood that they have snatched the gold chain and they have sold it, and now they are saving this money. That's what he understood, and he rushed to the nearby police station. So after reaching the police station, Mr. Shinde met the SI, the sub inspector of police, and told the entire thing what happened, that his wife could not find the gold chain which was kept in her drawer and could not locate it anywhere in the house, and they have doubt on their maid Mrs. Shanti, and they also found rupees 10,000 in an envelope in her trunk. So immediately SI has registered the FIR of the information given by Mr. Shinde. Once the information has been registered, we get the FIR. FIR stands for First Information Register. First Information Report. Once Mr. Shinde has reported in the police station, the SA has recorded the FIR, the first information report, and then Mr. Shinde comes back home accompanied by the SI. The SI comes and checks everything, the house, the surroundings, and also the trunk of Miss Shanti, and takes her into custody. So now Miss Shanti has been arrested. And taken to the prison. So once this entire thing has happened, in the evening, Ms. Shanti's brother Sushil has come and he approached the SI asking to release her, and she is very innocent. We both are innocent. We don't know anything about the chain, about what you are talking about. We are not aware of that chain. We are actually saving our money from the past 5 to 6 months. Our salaries we are saving and we are preserving for the future purpose. We want to buy a bull when we go back into their village. So kindly release her. But the SA was very angry and told that she has been in the case of theft. She has been booked in the case of theft. So you go to court and get the bail paper for her. Then only I can release her. This issue was very serious, so he seriously requested him. The angered SA has imprisoned Sushil also and tortured him for 2 days, asking him to agree that he has done the theft, that they have taken back the gold, and he is a leader of a group of the maids who steal the costly things there. in that region or in that area, because he is also getting number of complaints like this. But this fellow cried innocently that I don't know anything, I am an innocent person and I work for an industry, and my duty, I attend to my duty and come back and take rest. Other than this, I am not aware of what is happening in that area also. Finally, after 2 days, he was left out. So he was thrown out from the police station, but he could not find any reason to get her relieved, because the entire money also was sealed by the police. What the 10,000 they have saved, that money also was sealed by the police and kept in the register, and the police have kept it very safely, where now it cannot be used. So without doing anything, Ms. Shanti was waiting and she was worried what will be happening in the court, and she never know what is the chain about also.